Hello, everybody. Hope you all are well. Thank you very much for giving me a chance to interact with you. And special thanks to Nana for making this possible. I have been asked to, somehow make it simple for you to, make you understand how you can create your own website or your own blog, and I would try to do justice to the topic that has been given to me. So, without wasting any further time, let's straight dive into what's required and what's not required in order to create a website. By the way, just I would like to apologize for the background noise if you will face any of them, because I'm sitting in a mall and I'm sitting in a coffee shop right now. So uh, that's how I basically managed, because I was busy in a project, so I couldn't do it in the office. So I thought, let me do it here. So, having that said, so let's straight away go into this, website. I'm sure that you know what a website is, what a blog is. I'm not going to explain that. All I'm going to do is I'm going to try to help you understand what is required and what's not required. Okay. The first thing that is not required is do not go for free websites. Do not go for free websites. So there are many platforms which are offering free websites. These, yeah, they do work, but they work with limitations. They will make those platforms. They'll make your life a little tough. It will not be easy for you to customize your website, and then it will not be a full domain. It will be a subdomain. So what do I mean by not an exact domain but a subdomain? So here is an example that I have put in here. So yeah, suppose your company name or your name .com should be your domain name. But if you are taking a free website or a free domain from any of the you know uh, free platforms, so it is going to be your name dot that platform.com. So which doesn't sound professional. So I would say please drop this idea because it's not professional. Please drop this idea because it is going to make your life hell. And this is coming from an experience point of view, because I myself have suffered a lot when it comes to free domains. So, but you know, yeah, WordPress and all that as a platform, for building the website and all that is different, but not for free websites. So don't go for free website. One more thing, uh, suppose tomorrow when you want to change now from your name dot the platform name.com to your exact domain name. Suppose you will say your name or your company name.com. So that time they'll ask you to pay, and you, when you pay one particular amount, maybe $50 or $100, depends which platform you on, then they will, then you cannot customize it any further, because you cannot download or you cannot, upload the plugins. So that option will be taken off from you unless you make another payment. So it's all about payments and all that. So please take it off, and we'll see that how we can do it. So free, say no. Second, the first thing that you need for a website is a domain name. So what does a domain name mean? Domain name means a text string, a special text string that identifies your business, that identifies your personality, that identifies your blog, that identifies your e-commerce business. It can be anything that you are selling online, that you are showing yourself that you have a presence online. So that text string, like google.com, is a domain. Similarly, tomorrow you're coming up with your name, you're into coaching, you're coming up with your name or your brand name. Like in my case, I used a different Thai Coach, THY Coach, COACH.com. That's my domain. So that's my brand. But we look into Arfin, I mean our coach, our mentor. He's using Arfin as his brand name, Arfin Khan. So similarly, it's all about the choice of words and choice of those text strings that you want to go for. So what's my suggestion and how I can make it simple for you is always go for .com. Always go for .com. Never ever go for something else. If it is not available and you have no choice, suppose now if you want to go for your name or your company name and it's already taken by somebody like Amazon, you cannot go for Amazon.com again. It's not possible. And similarly, any name. I mean, eBay. You cannot go for eBay again. It's already taken. So if it is already taken, you can maybe go for another way of looking into that domain. You know, that is .net, .org, .us, .ae, .co.uk. They are also available. You can use them as well. But they are like from the experience point of view and from the psyche point of view. When you see somebody entering a web address into the into Google or into a browser, he will say xyz.com. The first thing comes in mind is .com. So web address or domain name means .com. So that's so to get the benefit of that, it's better to go for .com. And there's nothing wrong in having .net, .org, .ae, .tv, there are many other options. There's nothing wrong in that, but it somehow specifies your limitation to certain region or certain area of expertise. Like org is organization, and info is all about info and education or something like that. Similarly, if you are having tv.tv is all about television and all that. There are many things. So US means you are limited to that particular territory, but nonetheless you always have those options and you can tweak your names a little bit here and there and get your domain name. Okay, let's dive directly into where we can get this domain name. Okay. Okay, let me quickly take you to the platform where we can, register our domain, and let's see what different combinations we can come up with, and let's get our domain names ready. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, let's go to google.com. So here is basically what you have to do is the platform that I'm using myself and for my clients is Unilix.com. So yeah, here it is. This is Unilix. So you'll see. We just go through this. It's better that you read a couple of things from this. So what I can tell you about this is one of the reliable platforms that I have met, and all my clients and all my personal websites, my coaching website, which is daicoach.com, is here itself. And this platform is all about online presence, which is about domain names and hosting and all that. Online engagement, which is all about SEOs, getting traffic to your websites, and online collaboration. This is all about having online meetings, online web meetings and webinars, and hosting webinars to reach millions of people around the world. So when you grow that big, you can use it. Or if you want to use anytime, that you can. This is basically what tools they are offering. So right now we're going for online presence because we're looking for the domain name registration. So if you can just see here, it's perfectly writing that. So TRC Cloud is the one that we will click. So click TRC Cloud and then come directly to domains, domain names, and .coms. So please keep it in mind. Now here is where you can check the domain name availability. So as I told you, the best domain name is .com. But if you're not getting it, you can get anything else as well. Like I have a client, she couldn't get. She's one of the coaches here, Huma Khan. So Huma Khan is a common name in India, Pakistan. So we tried to find humakhan.com. She couldn't get. So because she lives in Dubai, she said, okay, I'm good enough with going for humakhan.ae. So she got humakhan.ae. So it's okay, it's no problem. So let's see Muzammil. Let's see if it is available Muzammil.com. It should not be. Yeah, it's not. It's already taken by somehow. So how am I saying so? Let me just quickly take you through that. Muzammil.com with single Z and single M is transfer. It's saying transfer. What does transfer mean? It means the domain name is already registered with somebody. Now you can, if that somebody is you and you have those credentials, you can transfer that domain to this platform. That's not what we are looking for the moment. Registered is that we are looking for. So we want muzammil.com or my company name or my domain name .com, and it should come as register. So let's change our search. Uh-huh. Just let me get rid of this first. Okay, so let me put my complete name, which is Muzammil Jahanzeb. So I can say Muzammil, and then I added my second name Jahanzeb without any hyphen, without any dots, without any spaces in between. Okay, that's the best way of getting a domain. So let's search it, and yeah, here we go. So we have Muzammil Jahanzeb, and then we have register tab available, which is that means that we can register this. I can register this domain. So I'm going to take you to the last moment before I do anything on this. So let's click on register button. Now it will ask for a couple of details, so that we have to give. This is normal. You need to give your details. The country. Where just a sec. We'll go to top. So I live in United Arab Emirates. So I'll put those details. Suppose Muzammil and zip and address is Dubai. It is also Dubai somehow for us, and this is also Dubai. I'll put a random 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as pin or zip code, postal code. Email you'll have to give. Okay. Email. I'm using this email for this particular domain, and phone number is 0 555 871 428. That's my phone number. So by default, let me quickly check. Let's quickly check if we have all the asterisks, red asterisks filled in. So these are the compulsory and mandatory domain, mandatory part of information that we need to give. The rest you can skip. So let's click add. One more important information is that you need to fill in your username. So username I can create. I can have the same domain as a domain name as username. That is WZAMIL But do not take it. It's not taking it. So let me keep it as Muzammil 123. It's okay, no problem. So it's gonna accept it. One more thing about this platform is that you are getting you can choose which server you want. You want server near somewhere around you for the fastest this speed and all that. You can choose that. So I live in Dubai. So which one is nearest to me? Okay, I'll go with whatever is by default. So will not choose anything with this. Just I'll keep it United Kingdom as of now, and I'll choose the currency. By default, currency is dollars, so you just keep it dollars itself. And I think nothing else except that you have to agree the terms and conditions. So it's all about. If you want to go and read it, please go. But I would say it will end up like having a argument with your wife, and then she giving you all the list that you did this, you did this, you have to do this, you have to do this, and finally you have to agree. So it's better that you agree them and say create. Okay, here we come. Now what's going to ask me to set the password for the account. So you have to remember I set my username as Muzammil123, so you have to remember that. And now I'm going to set my password. That's going to be something you know which is strong. So I set my password. The bar is green. That is great. Set password. Click the set password button, and once you click that, it will refresh, and you will also get an email. Your password has you got already a a pop-up that the password has already been set. Now it will take us to the payment part of it. Okay, generally we don't want to save it now. So uh, let's check our spellings once more, just for the sake of having spellings. I just wanted to drag this, but somehow it's not coming now. Anyhow, it's muzammiljahanzeb.com, domain registration, 1 year, $12.5. And here is where I have to continue to make my payments. When you click on continue, now you have to remember two things that are very important. One is that you will fill in your email, you'll fill in your card details, and you will complete the order. So once you complete that, an email has already been sent into your. Once you finish with this, completion of all the information, credit card and payment, it will ask you that you have already been. An email has been sent to you. Just refresh this thing. An email has been sent to you from TRC Cloud, and you have to verify that. So remember, this is the email. Okay. Hello, Muzammil Jahanzi. Thank you very much for showing interest in our web hosting and all that. So there's the pending payment, something like this is for pending payment. Uh, yeah, this is all. This is the email that we get. Okay. So you click on this. If I click on this, it will open another window for me because I have not completed the payment. So I don't want to complete the payment now. But when you complete the payment, what is going to happen is that it will allow you to enter that email, that username and that password to verify the email ID. So this is for verification only. So once that happens, you will get that has been verified, and and the backend also it will be all okay. Your payment is everything is processed. So this is just to double check, that they have created, which is good for us, and our domain name is registered. Whatever name you came up with is registered. Congratulations! And this is the first step towards having your own online presence, online footprint, and digital footprint that we call it as. And from there, we're going to take it on. So I think for now, we will keep it to domain name registrations. So I hope you understood that don't go for free domains. Number one. And number two, if you go for a domain, purchase it for yourself as you want it, as a business name or as your personal name. And number three, it's good always to have one platform with you. I suggest my recommendation is Unilinks and TRC Cloud. This is one of the best that I have come across with, and I use all my clients and all my personal domains are on this. And once we finalize with this, your domains are ready. Then next we will go ahead with our next step will be hosting and installing WordPress as a platform and as a website platform, and then building on that how to add the plugins, how to create your blog, how to create your first blog and publish your blog itself. There are a couple of settings that we need to do that we'll do in the next session, hopefully. And that's for me now. And thank you very much. If you have any questions, anything that you want to ask me directly, so you can take the details from Naina, and she's going to help with that. Or you can ask the questions to Naina, and she will help you in in terms of getting through this. Okay, so I would love to help you, and please feel free to ask me any questions with respect to this. And one more thing, just wanted to tell you that once you register your domain, so please send me your domain name and your personal name, that this is the domain name that I have registered, because that will help me in keeping a track of who has done and who has not done. And furthermore, if I need to help in any way, then I can help on this particular platform. Okay, thank you very much. Love you all, and keep smiling, keep making people happy with your coaching, and taking their worries off, telling them that they have the power that they can do. And bingo.